welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aishwarya and I do mostly DIYs and lifestyle videos. So today's video is going to be a mini Dollar Tree haul. So there is few items which are new, but mostly I guess it's common because it's spring now. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So the first item in here is this Floral Foam. So this is 9.8 inch or 24 centimeter. So I got this to make my dried flower wreath, but I won't be putting this outside. So I'll shoot a DIY when I do this, and this will be for the indoors. So yeah, but you can always substitute with some other fake florals as well. So next item is this jaw clip. So this is how it looks. So these two colors, kind of brownish beige and gray. And the next item here is this plant labels. So you get 10 in them. And I got few more seeds too. This time I got just the floral ones. So this is flower garden mix. I also got zinnia and cottage garden wildflower mix and California poppy. So yeah, that's for the seeds. So the next item are actually planters. So they had some new colors and new shapes. So this is one of them, which is 6x6 in green and also 6x6 in blue. So I really like the pop of color for summer and spring, and except for these, which are very neutral again. So the next one is this planter. So I really like the shape and the size too. I want to put some flowers in them so that they bloom, and then yeah, and also some veggies too. So I got 4 of them including this. So one is in this terracotta color and one is in this dark green color. And the next one is also planter. So this one is 10-inch diameter one. So I got 2 of them. So yeah, these are pretty big. You also have a Xmar where you can actually punch them and they'll create the drainage for this planter. So that's for the planter, and I feel like I have enough planter and soil to plant every seed I have. So let's go to the newer item. Before that, I also got this planter saucer. So you get 4 in one pack, which is 8 inches. And these are actually plastic, but I felt these would work well for the outdoors as well, and they would stay, because right now I have kept a different plate which is kind of acrylic, but I'm going to keep it that way, but I'll be using this for the rest of the planters which I have right now. So I got 3 of them, so I have 12 here. So yeah, and that's with the planters. And the next item is actually a new one, this candle holder, which is in amber color, but they had few different colors as well. Like they had white, I guess they even had green and purple, I am not sure, but I really like this amber color, so I got it. So I have a DIY coming for this, let's see. And the next items are actually hair care. More than hair care, yeah, you can call it hair care. So I got these hair bonnets. So these two are from the same Dollar Tree brands. So these are 12-inch diameter. So these are new for me. So let's see if they fit my head, because whenever I get them from the Dollar Tree, they normally just slide off when I sleep, but I'm hoping for the best. And the next one is the sleek hair bonnet in emerald color. So yeah, I hope this works. And few new items again are these Floral Garden home ribbon. This is 12 feet So this is how it looks. They're really pretty, and they had a lot of different ribbons as well, where I got just 3 of them. So this is 12 feet, and the other one is also from the Floral Garden home ribbon in this leaf pattern, which I really liked, and it has a kind of sage green color. So yeah, and even that is 12 feet. And the next one is also from Floral Garden, but this is a gingham ribbon in blue. They had in green, red, purple and black, but I really like this one, and this is 9 feet. And the last 2 interesting things are actually this solar sloth. Let me turn them on. So this is how the back looks like, and this is the front. I really liked how they look, but I don't know whether they're creepy or cute. This one is really cute. So this is how it looks, the light. So I don't know if you can make out, and you can actually turn it off and on whenever you need. And the other one is this frog, which is also very cute. I don't know how well this works in the garden, but let's see. This is how it looks again if you close, and yeah. So they're really well made, I feel, but yeah. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, I'll see you next time with a new DIY. Bye!